Okay, in last class we discussed about the definition of arithmetic progression, and we expand a few more questions related to that exercise, first one, right? First exercise. And today we are going to discuss about the nth term of an AP or general term of an AP. So first I'll explain that formula, how to derive that formula, then related examples. After that we'll discuss about that exercise. Okay. Now here, this is the next topic. Nth term or this can be written as general term. Okay. Either nth term or general term of an AP. Means AP means arithmetic progression. So there is one theorem for that. So this is the statement. Theorem. If A is the first term and D is the common difference of an AP, then it's a general term. General term is given by an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is the derivation. Okay. Now see that proof. It's very simple. What is the given data here? A is the first term, D is the common difference, right? Generally, first term can be written as either A or A1. Got it? And coming to second term, that can be written as A2. Means second term is denoted by A2 and is defined by A plus D. Got it, my point? And coming to third term, this can be written as A plus 2D. This is the general definition. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on is called arithmetic progression, right? So here, if you take this first term A, so A can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into D can be written as 0 only. A plus 0 is equal to A. And coming to the second term, so A plus, just I am writing like this, 2 minus 1 into D. Clear? So 2 minus 1 means 1 into D is D. So A plus D. And coming to this A3 value, so A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Not only these three terms. Suppose if you want a A4, generally that can be written as A plus 3D and this can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D and so on. If you want an value, how to write this? A plus, say for A1 1 minus 1, for A2 2 minus 1, for A3 3 minus 1, for A4 4 minus 1. Similarly for an n minus 1 into D. That is the derivation. So what is the general term or nth term of an AP? That can be written as an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In that A is called the first term, D is called the common difference. We know very well how to find common difference, right? Either second term minus first term or third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term and etc. Okay. Now we discuss few examples related to this one. Now this is third example. Find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12, and so on. So we want means we find 10th term, that is A10. Now we know very well about that general term standard formula, correct? Either nth term or general term. So first we write the given data, after that we write the nth term formula, then we substitute n equal to 10 After substituting all the values, we get the required 10th term of the given arithmetic progression, right? So here, coming to solution, given that, or write given AP also, no problem. So 2, 7, 12 and etc. In this, A equal to, what is that first term? So A equal to first term, that equal to 2. D equal to common difference. So generally how to find common difference? Second term minus first term, right? So second term means 7 minus first term means 2. So 7 minus 2 equal to how much? 5. If you take a third term minus second term, then also we get same value. 12 minus 7 equal to 5. So common difference is same, then only it is called arithmetic progression. Got it my point? Now we write nth term. First we write nth term. Okay. Actually we want 10th term. First we write nth term. In that we can substitute. We have to substitute n equal to 10. Got it? So how to write it? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if n equal to 10, why? Because we want 10th term, then substitute n equal to 10. Then a10 equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So that can be written as a plus 9 into d. But what is the value of a? A equal to 2 plus 9 into d value is 5. So 9 into 5, 45. So 2 plus 45. So 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. So this is the required 10th term of the given arithmetic progression AP. Clear? Okay. Now example number 4. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 81? Also, is any term 0? If the term is there, give reason for your answer. That is the meaning of this question. So there are two parts in this question, right? So first part, which term of the AP is minus 81? Means in that just we find the value of n. Means that is the value of an. An equal to how much? Minus 81. And we know very well about that formula. Correct? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In that a is first term, d is common difference. By using all that data, just we find the value of n. After that, also is any term 0? Means just we write an equal to 0. Then again we find the required value for that. What is my point? Then see here, this is the solution. What is the given data? Right here given AP or given that. So 21, 18, 15 and so on. And one more value, what is that? An equal to minus 81. Now here a equal to, what is that first term? A equal to first term. How to write it? Means what is that value? 21. And coming to d, that is common difference, right? So second term minus first term. 18 minus 21 equal to minus 3. Got it? Now what is the value here? An equal to minus 81. But how to write an? That can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d, and it is equal to minus 81. What is the value of a? A equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 minus 81. Clear? Now minus 3 into n minus 1 is this value equal to minus 81. Now write this 21 that side, then we get minus 21. So minus 81 minus 21, 81 plus 1, 82 plus 20, 100, then 102. So that is minus 102. Now this is minus 3 into n minus 1. Got it? Now write n minus 1 value. How to write n minus 1? Minus 102 divided by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 3 3 is 9. So 12 means 3 4 is 12. Then how much? 34. Now we want n value. So n equal to 34 plus 1 equal to how much? 35. So what is the meaning of this? 35th term of AP is minus 81. So write here. Therefore, 35th term of an AP is minus 81. So this is part 1. And what is that? The second part also is any term 0. So for that, just write like this. For any term 0, comma an equal to 0. So what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d. It is equal to 0. What is the value of a here? A means first term, that is 21 plus n minus 1 into what is the value of d minus 3 equal to 0. Now next step, write 21 that side. Here minus 3 into n minus 1. If you write 21 that side, we get minus 21. Now what is the value of n minus 1? Minus 21 by minus 3. That can be written as 7. Why? Because minus minus gets cancelled. 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. What it is? Now we want n value. What is that? 7 plus 1 equal to 8. What is the meaning of this? 8th term of AP will be 0. So just write here. 8th term of an AP will be 0. That is the answer. Okay, now see this example, example number 5. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. Third term means a plus 2d na. 7th term means a plus 6d na. And a3 means a plus 2d is equal to 5. A plus 6d equal to 9. By solving those two equations, we get a and d values, right? And by using a and d values, we write arithmetic progression like a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and etc. Got it? Now what is the given data here? Given that a3 equal to 5 and the second one a7 equal to 9. Again a3 equal to 5 means a plus 2d equal to 5, equation number 1, and the second value is a7 equal to 9. So this can be written as a plus 6d equal to 9, that is equation number 2. So by solving 1 and 2 we get a and d values, right? But how to solve that? Very simple. Now both are same sign, both are having same sign, right? Just change the sign, minus. It is also plus, write minus. Here also it is plus, then write minus. By adding these two, plus a minus a gets cancelled, right? And 2d minus 6d. 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. So minus 4d equal to 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. Now d equal to minus 4 by minus 4. Minus minus gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, we get 1. So this is the value of d. So what is the value of d? D equal to 1. Clear? Now we find a value, na? So just substitute d value in any one of the equation, either 1 or 2. Okay. Now I am going to substitute d equal to 1 in equation number 1. We get, how to write this? A plus a 2d, 2 into 1 equal to 5. So a plus 2 equal to 5. What is the value of a? That can be written as 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Therefore a equal to 3. Now d equal to 1, a equal to 3. Means a equal to first term, that is 3. D means common difference. Okay. Now just write here the required, what is that AP, is first term is a. A means 3. A plus d, 3 plus 1. a plus 2d, 3 plus 2 into 1, a plus 3d, so 3 plus 3 into 1, and etc. That is, first term is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and etc. That is the required arithmetic progression AP. Clear? Okay, now example number 6. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, and etc. What is the meaning of this question? So we have to check it either 301 is a term of this progression or not. But first we have to check it either it is an arithmetic progression or not. If it is an arithmetic progression, then only we find the value of n, means number of terms. In that, if n is an integer, we say that 301 is a term. If n is not an integer, we say that 301 is not a term. That is the meaning of this question. Got it my point? So first we can take the given progression. What is that? Just I am writing here. Given that 5, 11, 17, 23, and etc. When we say that the progression is arithmetic progression, if common difference is equal, then only we say that it is an AP, correct? Common difference is denoted by Dina, but how to find common difference? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term, like that, right? So now do one thing, write directly a2 minus a1, 11 minus 5 equal to 6. Again find a3 minus a2, that is 17 minus 11, it is also equal to 6 only. Now we'll find one more value, that is a4 minus a3. So a4 minus a3 means 23 minus 17, it is also equal to 6. Correct? Now in all the cases, common difference D is same. So that therefore 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on is an AP. Got it? Now we find the value of n, but how to find n value? Just we'll take an equal to 301, correct? And what is the formula of an? That can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. It is equal to 301. Now we find the value, means n value, right? So substitute a value. What is a? A means first term 5, n minus 1. And the common difference, that is 6, right, equal to 301. Now 6 into n minus 1 means this value equal to 301 minus 5. What is the difference? So 301 minus 1, 300, but it is minus 5 so 300 minus 4, how much? 296. Then right here equal to 296. Now n minus 1 equal to 296 divided by 6. Then 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, okay, and 16 means 2 8 is 16. Now 148 divided by 3, but we can't cancel that value, na? Then write n value. So n equal to 148 divided by 3, then plus 1. What is the LCM here? 3, na? It is 148, 1 into 3 is 3. So how much it is? 151 divided by 3. But it is not an integer, correct? So 5 times, got it my point, means 50. Then it is not possible. In that case also we will be getting some decimal value. Means simply it is not required. Just write here comma not an integer. So what is the meaning of this? 301 is not a term of the list of numbers, this one. So therefore I am writing here. What is the conclusion? Here it is not an integer, na? So 301 is not a term of the given list of numbers, right? So just I am writing here. Therefore 301 is not a term of the list of numbers. What are the numbers here? So 5, 11, 17, 23 and etc. That is the answer.